Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow seeds faster. Now, seeds will grow on their own time. They need heat, they need some moisture, and they need some light generally. So in order to make them generate a little quicker, there's a few tricks that you can do. Now, number one is heat them up more. So whether you start them indoors in a sunny window, or you start them in a sunnier spot, or you put a heat mat underneath, heating them up will generally get them to start a little faster. Now, you can also make a mini greenhouse. So if you start plants in any type of a plastic container that you're recycling, like this cake container, and you actually put a top on top of it, it'll create lots of moisture and a lot more heat, and the seeds generally will come up much quicker. If you start them in seed trays too and put them in a sunny window, a lot of times just by starting seeds in seed trays first, you can get them to grow a little bit quicker. And you want to make sure that they got the heat, because they're not going to grow any quicker in a cold place. But outside of that, there's really not a lot you can do. But you can make mini greenhouses or make a cloak, which is basically a jar, like a glass bowl. Put it right over your container, and then it'll make a mini greenhouse. And that too will make your seeds start quicker.